Morning friends, Russell here, coming to the shop once again. Been about a year since we shot a video about the Jeep. Been over a year since we shot the primer. 2020 was difficult on everybody, I get it, myself included. Finally got the time and the proper weather to shoot the paint, so we're gonna kind of walk around the Jeep today and show the paint job and talk about kind of the plan of action to put it back together. We're at the point now where it's like, I got to remember how to put it all back together, and I don't. So here we go, let's walk around the Jeep. Like in the previous video, talked about paint color selection. We did decide to go with the BMW Phytonic Blue. And as you can see, it really came out exactly like I wanted to. We've already started some of the reassembly, but let's just talk about the paint job overall. This is a Jeep. It's going to be a workhorse, a daily driver, so getting every little imperfection out of the body panels was not something we were trying to do. You can still see there's still bumps and bruises in the body panels, and I'm fine with it. Overall, I'm very pleased with the paint. Come over this way, we've got both the fenders and the hood. The one body panel I did spend tons of time working on was the hood, because it's so large that any major imperfections would just scream at you. So we spent a lot of time on that. The plan for the reassembly, and we've already started. I'm working from the back to the front. So the first thing we did was get the tailgate mounted and the hinges and get it all lined up. So far I'm happy. Everything's coming together very well. What we're going to work on today is the tailgate tire swing. All the hinges and the tailgate and the tire swing arm have already been cleaned and painted. Now it's just a matter of getting it installed and aligned perfectly. Once we've got that done, we'll move back to the inside and cut and lay out the carpet. I know a lot of Jeep people don't like running carpet. I don't mind carpet, but I also do not glue it down so that when I do get water inside, it's easy to pull the carpet and dry the vehicle out. And like I said, we're going to work from the rear to the front, so we'll do the carpet, and then we've got to go, the next thing after getting the carpet measured and cut is I've got to rebuild the fresh air plenum and rebuild the heater box. Once those are rebuilt, we can get those installed. One of the reasons why I'm wanting to do that first is I'm putting the upgraded blower motor in, so I've got to open up the hole, and I want to do that before I install the fenders. Once I've got this done, heater box and the fresh air box is installed, then we'll put the fenders on and start laying the wiring harness. I'm looking to, over the next 3 days, because it's Labor Day weekend, looking to at least get to the point where I've got the wiring harness laid, fenders on, hoods on, windshield frames on, and all lined up. That's kind of where we're at with the CJ-7. If you look over here, I've already sourced another engine, and so we will use this motor, which is a 4-liter Jeep engine out of a 96 Cherokee, which is the same as the one I've got in the CJ. We'll use this motor to build a 4.6 liter stroker. That's kind of where we're at with the CJ. We're going to roll with this footage. We're going to roll some photographs we took, getting it over to the paint shop. My initial painter, couldn't get to it. He actually had the body panel, separate body panel, since February, and he just couldn't get to it, and that's fine. He's busy. I did find somebody else here locally that was willing to shoot the paint, and then the weather worked out, so we got that done. So far, I'm very happy. The color came out exactly like I wanted. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Once again, if you like this kind of content, hit like, hit subscribe, and there's more to follow.